Joyce, me time awuo kaki mi owadu any time. I want to talk about osuru. And it's logical. A government that overtaxes its citizen is driving those citizens to poverty. Sani onge jimabo kendo. Marriage certificate, money when in 1995 was 100. The president we have does not care about doho. Bills are demo such sign out of do gima doho wacho. One wonder reckon cast okti to jocast you, and the court stopped that. They are working. They are earning salaries. Let me speak from the opposition side. And the type. Koro. Then the next thing that I want to talk is really if we know they are in UDA. When you overtax your people, you are making them poorer. Because if you overtax them, Tim Kama Kibaki not him. Kibaki, in order to tax us, increased our salaries fast. Ingen kataka increase salary ni mokwongo ta taxi okiwinj pekno nikech intie gigi modore a pay slip. Gimo actually people are being paid. Wantie gi company sani treasury and gi treasury manyocho koda. If miss there's no money. There's no money in government. The money we have in government is for salaries. Katakitimo gi tenders meki sani jokchul. Or maybe they're being paid selectively. Kor Adwa Kwaya Owino is a very straightforward man. He's very uwoyoga mos. Kiano sero kate studio ka uwoyoga mos maber. But he needs to talk with the government of the day. Mondo the government of the day uwinje yuakjo Kenya. Mondo the government of the day uwinje no, you cannot overtax an already overburdened community. Gikmanye giketo nikata ID. Nikoro ibo kao ibo ginene ID ibo kao gelo fario from 100. Surely who does that? Who does that? From 100 to 2000. Who does that? Tuangion ID ni and gimora mora. And I know, and I can say it specifically here. Magi hot air mekruto 2027 mane mobuchungo kwa chan ID nime reduce akuna hiyo deni tena kulipa hiyo itakuwa free. Passport itakuwa ile bei ya kawaida. These are 2027 hot air political promises maungi kumadhiye. Let President Ruto take only 3 items and check on them. And the Kenya we want. Kenya mwaduaro. Danino konini athini noso moloka mange duluo kiaga. Lakini gimawacho cost of living. Koko ingio gimatando chando ngatmantie piny. Chando mamamboga mani wawuyo nwa bokonyo mamamboga. Tu mamamboga ne masani umia. Because taxes moket wanyaka mekoso mtal. Sani kata kidipimi HIV ichulo 600. To gino neno no chon. So people, our young people are going to be infected. Wabokonyo joginadi. So let's look at the real things that touches human life. Kikwa woka jani, I have done this. Sijui territory. One good relationship give foreigners. Where was Kenya not in good relationship with foreigners? Koro Adwa Wachonia, President, and I'm repeating here, don't overtax an already overburdened citizen.